Guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So today is 28th December. As part of this weekend, I want to actually analyze a few FNO stocks and other stocks also, where I see some positive upside momentum using our MWD Magic Levels indicator. Want to kind of see what happened, where there is a possible reversal, where there is a breakout kind of a thing. So this is for our understanding and effective usage of MWD Magic Levels indicator, and it is not a recommendation for any trading decisions. Okay, so let's get started. The first one is M&A. So when I talk about this, okay, so let me show what I enabled. Default, I just enable. I don't need an extended targets also here. Uh, yeah, I'll keep this. Okay. So basically here itself, it's actually touching this one. Okay. See, I just put 1111 and everything enabled and save. Okay. Okay. So if you look at a little zoom out, I will continue to run this in 5 minutes. Okay. And I'm not going to add anything else. And if you zoom out a little, this is Mahindra and Mahindra. Let me go to Mahindra and yeah, it can be Mahindra and Mahindra rather than futures. Even we can see stock. Anything is okay. Okay. So if we see, this is a monthly, right? See, I always talk about monthly high, monthly low, and all. Okay. So if you see, this is a monthly low and this is a monthly high. Okay. And this is the last week VWAP, blue color. Okay, and this green is a weekly high, weekly low. And if you see this stock, this is on Tuesday last week. There is a momentum crossed monthly low from the below, right? Monthly low and a weekly high, right? And then that triggered some momentum towards this. But this is the previous week view app where it's not able to cross weighted. And this is on Friday, yesterday. You see, it opened up at a good positive momentum. And within the second candle, we had seen a high of the monthly is crossed. Okay, so we'll talk about these two candles first for a better understanding. Let me zoom in a little so that you will have a better idea. If you see these two candles, now already price is above the weekly low, weekly high, right? Price is already above monthly low and here monthly high, right? So our primary condition of monthly high, weekly high are already crossed. And here you see there is a daily high. When it's very close, it's a good, we should wait for probably, breakout, a confirmation in terms of a breakout. And it happened here, right? And see, maybe you are feeling uncomfortable sometimes, right? Here the price of this is somewhere 2,990, and we are talking somewhere 3,020. So there is like a 30 points I lost already. There is nothing like you lost. Okay, you waited for the double confirmation. Okay, so maybe 30 points you would have got some option point. Let's not worry about all those. That is not the intention of this video, and there is nothing like we missing out. See, ultimately, what we booked is what we make, right? So sometimes you buy an option at 10 rupees, it goes to 90 rupees. You didn't book, we hoping it will go to 190 rupees, but it will come back to 15, and then you book it in the panic. All at the end of the day, you booked only 5. Whatever it went to 90 or like, most of the time, forget about this. Most of the time, what happens, we buy an option, Nifty option, for example, 75, and you are happy to book this at 90. We are very happy, 15 points, 2 lots, happy exit. And then we see that goes to 250, right? It happens, but that is not ours. What is booked is like, whatever profit you booked is yours. Where up to what level it goes, it doesn't matter to us. Now, okay, now let's look at here. You see a confirmation, a pullback, monthly level reach touch, and then cross a close above this is in a trigger. 3014, 3015, it went so fast to 3053. So there is almost like close to 40 points or 35, 38 points, right? and then it is able to survive. It's like, at this level, but at the end of this one there is a closure. Okay, there's a one good momentum stock is this one. Keep it in your watch list so that you can actually, maybe if some momentum is there, then you can consider next week. Okay, there is one more slab. You look at this upside momentum. Okay, before we talk about today, we talk about previous days also. Okay, where this actually triggered. Okay, this is a monthly low, this is a monthly high. Weekly is this. Okay, last entire week, if you see from here, the price is between high of the week and low of the month, right? It's basically within the bracket. And you see, yesterday when the market opened, it took a support here from the previous week VWAP, right? And then started moving upwards. It is okay, even if you miss out this 570 to 583. But once there is a cross, confidently you can consider. That is what I always talk, right? A clear breakout of monthly high is a good indication for us to possible upside opportunity, right? There's another one, AWL, okay? Adani Wilmar. See this one. A monthly high cross. See these kind of a things, right? If you actually follow this, and once there is a breakdown, if you are not ready to take an option, you take 50 into 325. Take an MIS, right? Intraday, and you wait for this. Even if there is a little pullback and all, nothing much to worry because you are not taking an option, right? And anyway, AWL, right? So this one. So from here, even if you would have waited till 3 o'clock. So there is a good upside momentum here. So whether you take the trade or not is a secondary, but you need to get used to this, practice this, when to take the trade, when to enter into the trade. Okay. So there's another one, Forts. Okay. Healthcare. See here, there's a monthly high is crossed, already weekly low here, weekly high here, and the monthly high is crossed from 676 so fast 680, right? So there's the one good opportunity even for an intraday, right? And Idea Forge. Okay, these are not any kind of a recommendation. Don't look at this, only for this analysis. Okay, so it went all the way up. Once there is a breakdown, the high of the day actually acted as a rejection, and there is no trading opportunity. Okay, so and Artifarma. Okay, so you look at this. This is a trading opportunity here. Both last month VWAP plus high of the week is crossed, and from 653 it went up, but it didn't come back here. 653 to 750 rupees up, more than 50 rupees up here. Okay, and then there is a pullback. Okay, it's a kind of a stop loss story. Okay, and there's another one, Najara, right? High is crossed. Okay, so there is a 1,000 plus stock. So basically, I'm watching this for something else. So here, there is no trading opportunity. There is a close above this, but because within the 10, 15 rupees, there is a high of the day. So we are not taking it. In fact, there is one more here. We are not advised to take the trade here. Okay, and Polyplex, right? Look at this Polyplex. You see this one here. From here, once there is a support for the day this level, there is it try to cross this level and then it zoom here, right? First time a reversal, second time it is able to sustain above this one. From 1308, it in the last candle it went up, but there is a possible reversal here high of the month. Okay, so there is another a negative side. Let's look at few stocks. Maybe Chambal Fertilizers. See this one, a monthly low is a break here, right? You expect further downside here till low of the week, at least till here. That's the first target towards on the lower side. Okay, so keep it in your watch list and then see what happens on Monday. Okay, and REC Limited, right? A monthly low is kind of like break here, but this is very close. This is very close. We need to wait, and once there is a break here, right, and you see this good downside here, right? So yeah, there is. Okay. I'll just finish this presentation with two more examples. One is an NMDC, other one is NMDC. Let's NMDC options. There is a breakout here. Zoom, ₹2 down, right? And there is another one. The last one I want to talk for now is West Coast paper. Okay, so my favorite stock sometime back. So break here and then fall here. This is acting as a support. That's what I'm saying. So when you see a close by this line, last month we have, or a day of the low, or a week of low of the week, daily or a weekly low, don't take the PE quickly. Don't short it, first of all. Okay. Wait for that level to break out and then take a call, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now, let's quickly look at BHEL. What happened in BHEL is again same story. There is a break here. Yes, 240, but because there is a ₹3 down, so there's an option opportunity. It exactly, you look at why these levels I talk important. You see, we didn't draw this looking at this, right? It just touched and then there is a reversal. And then you see once there is a break this level, good downside further, right? So from once this monthly low is kind of like cleared 240, we're seeing 235. And a BHEL, it's a good opportunity towards a PE side. Okay, so hope this is good enough. So MHRIL. So hope this video will help you to understand a little more in terms of how to analyze during a market time. And I keep posting a lot more information in my group also on a day to during the market times. But this considering the next 2 3 days is a year end, probably not much trading will happen, right? That's my guess. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. In case if you need any support, please feel free to ping me, and I'll support you the best possible way. Yeah, thank you very much.